So now we came to modifications concerning the crossfader motion. Like I said in the beginning, in case of the Prism Skratch, the performance on the crossfader is the 2-clicker. We play this combo two times over the entire record motion. That means we play basically the 2-clicker closing, tapping, open, closing, tapping, open. And now I want to present a new way through which we can modify a new techniques by changing the order of crossfader movements of the 2-clicker. Let's have a closer look. The 2-clicker consists of 3 different movements, like I said. Closing, tap, and then opening. There are 2 possibilities of changing the arrangement of crossfader movements. The very first variation is done by starting the whole sequence with the tapping. Then we go over to the opening, and then we go into the closing. Then we repeat once and again the entire sequence to get 6 motions in total. That means, once again, the normal way of the 2-clicker is closing, tapping, open. Now we start with the tapping. Okay, that means we start with tapping, then follows opening, and then follows closing. Now we put this sequence over the original record motion of the Prism. That means at first the note, tapping, then the first backward, opening, then the second backward, closing, then we got the first half, then the next forward is tapping, opening, and closing. Here's a little demo. Once again. The second variation would be to start now with the open motion. After this, the tapping and the closing motion follow, and we repeat once again the entire sequence. That means the forward motion now it's in comparison with the opening, like this, then follows closing, then tapping, then we got the first half. Now we go over to the forward plus opening, closing plus forward, and tapping. It goes like. Here's a demo. Once again. So now we go over to the last part of this tutorial, and I want to compare the variations of modification of the crossfader movement. At first, the original motive. Here's a little demo. Then another way. This is the so-called Prism tap start. That means we start now with the tapping, then we go over to the opening, then closing. And the last performance is the open start. That means open, closing, tapping. Okay, this is it for now. Please consider this is only a short insight of several methodologies through which we can achieve new ways of scratching. Also, remember that you can transfer all this on other techniques, and new examples coming soon. Bye for now.